Hey, hi guys, this is Arpita Tulsyan here. I hope you all are doing good. So, this is a video where I wanted to give you a quick update about the CA final IDT books and lectures which are applicable for the May 26th, September 26th and Jan 27 examinations. So now already the books are released, the 4th edition books which are applicable for May 26, September 26 and Jan 27, the books are already released. Let me give you a quick update about the same. So these are your 4th edition books. Attempt applicability I have already told you. These books are fully amended for your May 26 examination. The cutoff date for which was 31st October 2025. Up to 31st October 25, everything has been included in the book. Fully amended for May. For September, the cutoff date is going to be February. So, as in when the amendments are going to come for the respective attempts ahead, I'll be helping you with the amendment by way of notes and videos, whatever is applicable. Okay, and in this book, 100% syllabus coverage is given. Basically, your ICAI material has been kept as base, and then there we have tried to simplify things without modifying much with the language, right? So, but 100% coverage is there. Charts etc. are used wherever complicated provisions are there or wherever interlinking provisions are there. We have used flowcharts etc. to simplify it for you. Yes, so be rest assured about the quality as well as the quantity. Another thing is about the question bank. Along with these, question banks are also there. In the question bank, there is 1000 plus questions. Okay. Now, in the question bank, what we have done is we have divided it into analytical question bank, analytical questions and direct questions. Okay, direct questions is like what is this, what is that, what will happen in this case, those type of questions which I have kept. You can just maybe use it in your first reading. But after that, whenever you are doing your revision etc. or the must do questions etc., those are going to be from the analytical questions. And so this way the entire book is divided into 3 volumes. Okay, I'll just show it to you. The first volume, can you see here? This is your first volume. First volume, I have it with me also here. Here it is. The first volume is the GST concept book. It has everything from the GST, right? From GST in India and introduction till the last chapter of your GST, everything is included there. Then your second volume is there, which is going to be your customs and FTP. Right, customs and FTP concept book, very small, can you see this with, yes, customs and FTP concept book is there. And then we have got the third volume, which is the most important one, that is the question bank, which has got the questions from both GST as well as your customs and FTP. This is your volume number 3. Right, and everything like in question bank also, if you can see I have mentioned it here also. In your question bank, your study material question, your RTP question, your MTP question, your past year paper question, in fact your RTP till Jan 26, RTP till Jan 26 is also included there, and all the answers are amended as per the provisions up to 31st October 2025. Right, if you are following this, then no other material you need to refer. Okay, just the mocks and exam papers which is going to be there after this date, that anyway you have to do, but apart from that, no other material, nothing here and there you need to go and check. So basically it is going to be a one-stop solution. Yes, one-stop solution for your IDT. Right now, so if you wish, if you are looking out for the books, then you can definitely go for these books. You can order these from our website arpitatulsyan.com. I will be putting the link also in the description box. You can just check there. Suppose if you are planning to go with the lectures, then if you are a first time learner, okay, if you are a first time learner, then I will advise you to go with the regular lectures. The lectures have been taken from the same book, okay, and in the lectures again, the content is going to be around 150 to somewhere between, it is still into recording, so 150 to 170 hours, somewhere between that is going to be the duration. And chapter wise videos, we have already started uploading it. You can start watching it. If you go with the books, if you go with the lectures, then obviously the books will be shipped to you. The books are already ready, so the dispatches have already started. Now in the lectures, ma'am, what all are covered? So in the lectures, the entire concept book we discuss. Then we go to the question bank. From the question bank, we solve all the analytical questions. Direct question I give as homework. Analytical questions we do, every question we do here in the class. MCQs which are there in the book, we do here in the class itself. Okay, that is how we do it. And yes, after that, the students who have already enrolled, they know that after the particular chapter is done, I record the revision videos. Yes, and those revision videos are available on YouTube. So once a particular chapter is done, you can go to YouTube, you can do the revision. Yes, that's how your entire syllabus gets consolidated, and that's how we do here, right? Now, okay, if you have already studied IDT before and if you want a concept overview, you say that ma'am, problem solving etc. I can do, but I just need to brush up my concepts. Then for that you can go with the fast track lectures, where we do all the concepts coverage, full 100% concept coverage, not even a single concept is left. Everything is done here. Okay, all the concepts, those are covered in the fast track batches. And if you feel that concepts etc. ma'am, we have completed, but I want to do question solving, if I sit on my own, I'm not able to complete the question answers etc., then in that case you have got the question bank lectures. That is, this question bank is there now. So from this question bank, from this question bank we solve every question. So that is going to be there in your question bank lectures, all the questions, okay, all the analytical questions, descriptive type of questions, case study based MCQs etc. we solve in the class itself, right? So this is how it goes. This is how the lectures and the books are framed. And another thing, if you feel that no ma'am, we can do self-study, we can just read it from the book and we can use your question bank, definitely you can do that. And in that, one additional thing which I want to tell you is, this is our YouTube channel, Arpita Tulsyan. On our YouTube channel, when you go to the playlist section, you will find the latest playlist, CA Final IDT playlist, in which we put the revision videos. Okay, so if you are not planning to go with the lectures etc., then you can take the question bank, or you can take the books basically, and you can refer that along with the YouTube videos. In that, as of now, since our batch is already going on, so 7 chapters revision videos are already there. Can you see this? This is within the playlist, so the videos are already there. Yes, and in this way, basically in this way, your entire IDT can be covered. See, the focus is going to be on 2 things. One is the entire coverage that can be done, and after that, then ma'am, how do we revise it? So for revision also, we have provided the YouTube videos. Yes, and like from start to end, you know what to do, right? Because at the end it becomes difficult that ma'am, if I follow someone's revision notes, then what if 100% syllabus is not there in that? Then that's the reason we are doing the revision from the main book itself. And the only reason of putting it on YouTube is so that it becomes a little simple for you. You already have the books with you. Now you need to quickly revise it. So if you feel that you yourself will take, if you do it on your own, if you will be taking more time, then straight away go to YouTube and follow the revision videos, like, right? Listen to the revision videos, your entire revision will be done. And because I have taken it from the same book, it will be easy for you. You know on which page which concept is there. So it will be very simple for you, right? If you have any other doubts, if you need to ask something, if you need to talk etc., then yes, definitely feel free to WhatsApp me on 9167082081. You can message me here. Yes, and if you wish to go with any books, lectures etc., then you can go to our website arpitatulsyan.com, and yes, you are good to go. You are good to start with the IDT lectures and the IDT studies then. Yes, if there's anything, do let me know, do message me, let's connect, let's talk. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.